What up, though? If you've ever been to the airport and heard the words final boarding call, you know the power of scarcity. And that's exactly the feeling you want your audience to have at the close of your webinar: clear, confident, and ready to move now. Now, years ago, I was at the gate for a flight to Dallas, Texas. I thought I had time. The screen still said boarding. I went to grab a soda, and when I got back, the doors were closed. The flight was not canceled. The plane was not broken. I just missed my opportunity, my chance. So here's the truth. Your audience feels the same way when they see an opportunity that's perfect for them, but they don't act in time. And once that door closes, even if it's only metaphorically, the opportunity is gone. Scarcity, when done right, isn't pressure, it's clarity. It's you saying, here's what's available, here's when it's gone, and here why it has to be that way. Without it, people default to no decision, and no decision means no transformation and no change. Say your favorite band comes to Detroit, Michigan. What up, though? And there are only 500 tickets and you buy them fast. Why? Because you know exactly what's at stake, miss it, and you're watching shaky phone footage on YouTube instead of living in the moment. On Saturday, we have something called the Eastern Market in Detroit. The best strawberries are gone by 9 a.m. If you show up at 11 a.m., you're getting the leftovers, if anything at all. Your offer should feel like those strawberries. The people who show up early get the best of the best. When a plane leaves at 3 p.m. and you can't show up at 3:15, expected to wait, your group coaching, your live training, your done with you program, those are planes. They have a start time, and the people who are ready when it's leaving get to go where they want to go. So scarcity without clarity feels fake. Clarity without scarcity feels optional. You need both. That's how you close with confidence. Tell them what is limited, seats, bonuses, or pricing. Tell them why it's limited, legitimate reason. Tell them exactly when the chance is gone, no fuzzy timelines. You're not taking something away from them, you're giving them the gift of a decision. The plane will take off whether they're on board or not. Your job is to make sure they know this is the right flight for them. So, in your webinar, my friends, you want to sprinkle scarcity throughout. Don't dump it all on them at the end. Make it real, make it clear, make the decision to say yes today feel like the only smart option on the table. So use the downloads, use the skills provided in the trainings. You're on 14, my friends, the 14 steps framework. So any questions, bring them to us live on Tuesday's Virtual Conversations with Adriane Mayes. But great freaking job. Amazing. I will, I shall be victorious. I can't wait to see your webinar. It's going to be amazing. Let's go. Deuces.